Back in 2008, I saw something that I really wasn't supposed to see. Someone I knew in real life pulled out their laptop and showed me a dashboard doing $20,000 in a month online. And at that time, that was unheard of. People really weren't well known for making money on the internet. But in that moment, my entire view on money changed because I realized this wasn't actually luck. It was systems and it was structure. And once I saw that, there was really no going back. So from that point on, I was no longer looking for ideas or ways to make money online. I was looking for systems. I wanted to understand how it worked, how it repeated, and how to plug myself into it. And that's when everything started to click. Because once you truly understand that money follows systems, you stop guessing and you stop chasing random things. And you start building something that actually works. But here's something that I actually didn't realize at that time. There's a big difference between making money online and building a real business around it. So if I had to start from scratch today, these are the exact steps that I would follow. Step 1, pick one monetization path, not 5. Most people fail before they even start because they're trying it all. They're testing everything, throwing spaghetti at the wall. They're doing drop shipping, Amazon, TikTok, YouTube, everything all at once. So if I was starting today, I would pick one avenue and go all in. So for me right now, that would be Facebook theme pages and branching that out into 2 income streams, which is the content monetization program and print on demand. Because it's simple, there's a proven repeatable blueprint, and it works almost every single time. And step 2 is modeling what's already viral. Most of the answers are already out there. You truly do not need to reinvent the wheel, but this is also where a lot of people overcomplicate it. If something already has millions of views and thousands of shares, there's the blueprint. And that's why I use really simple tools like Post Planner, because it shows me very quickly what's already working. Then I model it, and it's really so simple. And then step 3, I choose a volume over perfection. Most people lose because they sit there overthinking, re-editing, trying to make everything perfect. Meanwhile, the people that are winning are posting 6 to 10 times plus per day because content is a numbers game. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral and reach more people. And then step number 4, turning that attention into income. Now, a lot of people skip this step. They just focus on going viral and then they do nothing with it. So I would immediately stack Facebook monetization, affiliate offers, and print on demand products. So every single post has a purpose and one page turns into multiple congruent income streams. Now, I did get one thing completely wrong in the beginning. Even though I understood systems, I didn't set myself up properly on the back end right out of the gate. No LLC, no real business structure, no real plan for taxes, and I kept putting it off and off and off until I had my first big year, around $250,000 in income. And that's when I finally decided to go talk to an accountant. And let me tell you, that delay and that mistake cost me thousands of dollars. And that was money I really didn't need to lose just because I didn't set things up right in the beginning. And this is where a lot of people mess up. They focus on making the money, but not keeping it, protecting it, or structuring it. And that's why I recommend doula now. You guys are always asking me about taxes, and this is the business in the box solution for online entrepreneurs. They help you set up your US-based LLC, and yes, you can even set this up if you're outside of the US, and I highly recommend doing that if you want to earn the most with Facebook and other online business models. They also help you stay compliant with taxes and other filings that can get really confusing on your own, and they handle all of the back-end stuff that most people avoid. And this part is really, really important. Having a US LLC isn't just about being official. It actually unlocks a lot of business-related tools, such as payment processors with Stripe, business banking, and it protects you personally. And without that setup, you can run into some serious issues, including fines or missed filings. that can cost you a lot more than getting set up properly in the first place. So if you're starting to make money online or planning to, do not wait like I did. Get it set up early and it will save you so much stress later on. So Doula is offering 10% through my link down below. It's completely risk-free and they have a money-back guarantee, which is awesome. And if you're unsure, you can book a free demo with their team. They're super helpful and they'll walk you through everything. And this is just one of those things that doesn't feel urgent until it is. So take my word for it. Book your demo call with Doula and you'll be so happy you did. And then that brings us to step 5, build a system, not random income. Random income is stressful and unpredictable, whereas systems create stability. And for example, my system currently looks like this: viral content to get more followers. Followers turns into monetization income, and monetization can double into product sales. Now everything connects, and those are congruent income streams, and that's how you scale and use one business model to create multiple income streams. Now, step 6, this is so important. You have to stay in one lane long enough to win. And this is the hardest part because most people out here are quitting way too early. They don't see results in the first week or the first month, and so they think it's the opportunity, so they jump to the next thing. Meanwhile, the people who are truly winning are gathering experience and knowledge by staying consistent enough with one thing long enough to have their breakthrough. So if I had to start from scratch today, I would truly put my blinders on. I wouldn't be out here chasing everything. I'd build one system. I'd stay consistent with that one system, and I'd treat it like a real business right from the beginning. Because the internet right now isn't just a place to scroll. People are out here building their own economies and truly changing their lives. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All my resources are linked down below for you. Make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.